Well, thank you for watching this video. In this video, I'm going to focus on account types in the new release QuickBooks chart of accounts. This is the account types in the QuickBooks chart of accounts. So I'm going to go to QuickBooks Online. So this is new look. The left navigation bar looks totally different. In the previous version, it used to be accounting in here someplace, and then you select chart of accounts. So now, to go to chart of accounts, you just click the bookkeeping, and then uh, chart of accounts is right here. Or they've added the bookmark. You can add bookmarks from the list in here. Add bookmarks. So all these you can add, as bookmarks. So basically, just select chart of accounts from here, and then it will stay here. Okay, so chart of accounts, it looks like this. So basically, the list is still the same. You have all kinds of accounts. So if you want to add new accounts and want to see the account types, just click new here and select category in here. Okay, so if you want to create a bank account, a credit card account, you just click this and select, and then basically just name the category, just like let's say Chase checking account number 1234, and then you select the checking account like this, okay, uh, and then so basically they have new categories. It's very simplified now. If it's your income, money your business on, you select this. And if your business expenses, cost of running your business, just select this. And if you're buying fixed assets like car or high ticket items, it says expensive items the business will use for longer than a year, you know. So you select this one, and then you have to depreciate or amortize the asset, Okay, and then loans and money owed. So it's basically, if you have borrowed money, you select this one. I'll go inside in there. Okay, and then owner investment. If you have invested in your business, money invested or withdrawn from the business by owner, and bank and credit card accounts, and then the other accounts, miscellaneous stuff. Okay, so let's click this, what's inside in here. Okay, so income, they had to give you uh, business, your money your business earns. They have a billable expense income, refunds to customers, sales of products, services, uncategorized income. So if you want to find out what is this billable income, uh, basically, you serve invoice your customer for your services you provided. It could be hourly rate, or could be a markup on certain materials. So that's billable expense, and refund to customers. Well, the customer return something, or you need to issue credit to customers. And this is your regular sales, money your business on exchange for goods and services, and sales of products and income, money your business earns from the product itself. So if you have inventory, or if you're selling certain items, products, non-inventory items, that's where it goes. And services is basically you're providing consulting, and then uncategorized income. Normally, you don't need this. You will know if it's service and or sales or service, and all the all this income type. Okay, so and then let's go to another one. Select expenses. Okay, so they have listed all the cost of running your business. It's very self-explanatory. And under in here, if you want sub accounts, just select this, like this, right? And then insurance, same thing. And even meals, they have a meals with client, travel meals. So it's very self-explanatory. And you've got the legal and accounting services, accounting fees, legal fees. Okay, so office expenses, all these, payroll expenses. They have only one in here, wages, and if you need to add payroll taxes, then you can select add in here. And purchases, you buy supplies, repairs. These are all basically they simplify things, And then you got more in here, all expenses, depreciation. If you bought equipment and you need to depreciate on a monthly basis, this is where you come. And then you got a vehicle expense, home office. So this one you need to check with your accountant. Okay, so we look at the other one. We went through this and loans. Okay, so loans, they have all this short term and long term. Short term is money owed by the business to be paid within a year, like 6 months loan, 3 months loan, 9 months loans, 12 months loan, just select all the line of credit, short term business loans, basically for the short term business loan right here. And long term, long term business loans like this. Business, let's say you bought a car on vehicle loans for 60 months, this is where it goes. And the mortgage, uh, I don't know what this, so if you are, you know, into property business, that's what it is. Okay, and let's see what else is left in here. Yeah, so the bank, we already went through that. Bank, cash, bank accounts, credit cards, and the other one, let's see in here. Okay, so other one is other income. So if it's like manage money or business earned that is not from your regular work, other income. Sometimes you may have some one-time uh, income, like sale of an asset, uh, and also if you have a savings account, you on interest or money market, that's where it goes. And credit cards, well, this is you have credit cards and they give you cashback rewards. That's where it goes. Okay, and sale of an asset. This is a one-time thing. You bought an asset. Now you want to sell it, and you have you made some money on that one. Sale of an asset. That's what it is. Okay, and then same thing with short-term assets. Uh, the items the business owns to be sold or used within a year. So this is all the short-term one. So inventory asset, loan to others, payments to deposit, cash and checks your business is ready to deposit at the banks, and prepaid expenses. So most of these accounts, they are already, when you create this QuickBooks, it will create most of these accounts. Right here is I see inventory asset account. Okay, so that's what it is, a new different look of account types. Basically, this trying to simplify, everyone can understand it, so as long as it's going here, you can select what it is. If it's bank account, just select this. If it's expense, go in here and select these categories in here. Income, same thing. So it's very simplified one. All right, so that's the focus of this video. Hope it's helpful. Thank you. Bye.